Um, Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us today. We are going to be talking about our NFL digital and social media marketing campaign and plan. We are Jam Advertising, and our goal is to increase viewership, attendance, and advertising opportunities supporting the NFL brand. Our plan summary is that just to go over what the NFL is. It's an American Football League comprised of 32 teams founded in 1920. The problem is that over the years, there's been a decrease in viewership, attendance, and all-around traffic behind the sport. And we think it's due to the demographic of the viewers that have recently changed. Less and less people are viewing the games on TV. Less and less people have cable, are paying for cable where the games are primarily televised. Our solution is to create an effective social and digital media campaign that will increase viewership, attendance, and popularity for the NFL.